don't happen if you don't have the right leadership and if you don't have continuity in good leadership. Many people generally ascribe the explosion in the banking sector to Babangida, which is good, give him the credit. But it actually started with Shagari. Because when they dusted up one of our ruling plans, they found out that there was a plan to indigenize the banking sector. And even as I recall, when they wanted to implement it, those who would have been beneficiaries, Nigerians, actually wrote against it because they were subordinates and had been told by their masters to just basically say they were not ripe enough for it. But then it's okay, you're not ripe, fine. So they took, if you remember, Mofe-Damijo, took him from Chase Bank and took him to RMD as Deputy Managing Director. 6 months later, confirmed him as MD. And you know, IMB was almost the cradle for a host of Nigerian MDs.
Yes, because all the gym and
just that is
all of that, they all came from there.
I'm a student of history.
Okay, good.
And it's good for people to know, you know, when, especially the younger generation, when they see what's going on, they have to have a historical context to it. Because that's what saves any country. Where I'm headed to today is that the banking sector contributes huge figures to our GDP as a country. And not just that, it's turned out some of the finest professionals working the African continent. As you know, most African countries are supported by Nigerian banks. You go to Ghana, you go to Kenya, you go to all over the place. And you don't go into the banking hall and you're looking at expatriates. You're looking at
all our people.
Look at you. And you know, some of our banks are more sophisticated than banks in the US or in the UK. Many of us who do international transactions, we know that. Stop the average Nigerian banker. He has a lot more to tell you.